Okay, right now I wanted to go over the functions of the Xbox keyboard and most keyboards on gaming systems. So to type, you have to either use a toggle or your D-pad to scroll over. And then to select the letter, you will hit A or select. To backspace, you can have two options. You can either scroll up to the backspace button and backspace using select, or you can plug in a switch to hit X. If you can see, each button on the Xbox keyboard has an associated button with it. So we see the arrow, but we also see LB. So if you had that switch plugged in, you could simply just hit LB, or you can move over and select it. To capitalize, it'll be left toggle or the bottom right. To move back, so if you wanted like a B in between the last two A's, this arrow is to go backwards. If we go all the way to the right, this is the arrow or right bumper is to go forwards. The start button or the button in the bottom right will be our enter. As we talked about here, this will be our backspace button or X. These are some numbers on the top. On the bottom, this is our space, or if we had Y, we could hit Y instead. But if you had any symbols, you can either hit LT or go to the top right of the keyboard and select that, and you will see the symbols appear. If you hit LT again, there's also a list of emojis. You can switch the emojis around. We have some different faces. But if you want to go back, you hit LT again, or you go to the top left and select to get back to the keyboard. And that is how you use pretty well any gaming system keyboard.